How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. So if you have not received your WhatsApp verification code, if you're facing a problem, then the first thing you need to check is the internet connection. So if you are using the mobile data or the Wi-Fi, you can simply check that if you have a stable internet connection. And after checking that, you can simply open up your settings on your phone and then go for apps and notifications, and here you can simply tap on see all apps, and you have to search for WhatsApp. And after choosing WhatsApp, now you can go for notifications, which is on the first option. And here, if you have turned off your notifications on your WhatsApp, then you can simply turn that on by tapping on that all notifications. And after turning on your notifications, then you might fix that problem. But even after turning on the notifications, if you don't fix that problem, then you can go for Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. Simply tap on the search bar and then search for WhatsApp. And here, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your WhatsApp application. And even after updating, if you don't fix that problem, then the last way is to restart your device or to uninstall the WhatsApp application. And after uninstalling, you can simply install it again from your Play Store or App Store, and then you can log into your account. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.